Hey Jordan, question number 8. On your homework you were asking me about. I've got yours pulled up. Z sub 0.02. That just means they want the z-score where 2.02, basically 2% of the areas to the right of your z-score. So you'll go to StatCrunch and you'll go to Stat Calculators Normal. And so they just want the z-score where your mean is 0 and your standard deviation is 1. They want this z-score here to the right, so that to the right, what was it? Was it 0.02? Z sub 0.02. They want the area over here to be 0.02. So the z-score over here is, how many decimal places do they want? 2 decimal places. So they want 2.05. That's the z-score right here, 2.05. Where the area to the right of that z-score is 0.02. So that's how you do that one. All right, now let me see the next one. You were asking me about number 10. Let me see. Okay, number 10. For bone density scores that are normally distributed with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1, find the percentage of scores that are significantly high, or at least 2 standard deviations above the mean. They just want to know the percentage of scores that are more than 2 standard deviations above the mean. So you'll kind of do the same thing. Okay, let's see. You'll go to StatCrunch, open that up. You'll go to Stat Calculators Normal. And this time they want to know more than a z-score of 2. So if your mean is 0 and your standard deviation is 1, what's the area to the right of the z-score of 2? Or in other words, what percentage of scores are extremely high? So that would be, how many decimal places do they want? 2 decimal places. Now they want 2 decimal places and they want it to be a percent. So you would move the decimal 2 places over to convert it to a percent. And then you want to give them 2 decimal places as a percent. So it would be 2.28%. Okay, on that one. And that's how they got that. Significantly low is the exact opposite. 2 standard deviations below the mean. So you would do less than, and it would be -2. So it's going to be the same thing on this side because of the symmetry. So, about 2.28% are extremely low. And then the third part, not significant. In other words, they want to know the percentage that's not significant. So if you go back to your StatCrunch, you would do the between. So between -2 and 2 for your z-score. So about 95.45% would be not significant. So they would fall in here. So anyway, I hope that helps you with these couple of problems. And let me know if I can help you further.